up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for as usual, man, just supporting the channel, always tuning in. Appreciate y'all. I hope all you guys are doing good as usual, man. Hope all you guys grinding at something. So green in Cali. It's such a trip because it's like so dry all year round. I've been seeing some videos on Insta where there's like a TRX that's like tuned like crazy, that pops like crazy, and I'm like, dude, low key, if I can turn it on and off, I'll love it on this car. This car is so fun, man. Like, I know this one dude that has a McLaren, but he also has a Hellcat. I'm gonna be real with you, bro. Like, I don't know if I can ever sell this because there's no car like this, bro. Like, even though it's not like as smooth as a Corvette or it's not as classy as a Cadillac, it's just different, bro. It just feels different. Like, I don't care. I always like tell myself this because it's like every day you think about like, oh man, maybe I should have got a different car. Maybe I should have got this car. But then I start realizing, I'm like, nah, bro, not really, bro. Like, this is like, I'm happy with what I have. Now my goal is to put like what the value of both these cars are, double in stocks long term, obviously, right? Not financial advice, by the way. That's all theoretical stuff. But because if any of you guys are willing to lose money on a car, make sure you guys please just be safe with your money, man. Just be wise, man, because you're gonna lose money no matter what. Don't like these cars. Like, think about this. Are you guys willing to lose like 20K of its value? You know, that sucks. That sucks, losing 20K for like just for having a nice car, you know. But that's what it costs. Slow. I love that there's like no one here right now. This is like, you know, that's what I love about these streets. Like, there's like usually no one on the streets, and I can actually enjoy my car without having to feel like if I was like in near LA where it's just like, dude, it's so congested, it's actually ridiculous. Like it's not even like, it's not good, bro. It's so congested. All these pops are all stock tuned, so like I don't know, I'm trying to get to the point where I'm like, I don't know where to go, because I mean I want to obviously enjoy the cars, but I don't want to, like, every single person I know that had a Hellcat and tuned it, except only one guy has not destroyed it. Another crazy thing too is, bro, is like how little miles have added to this car. Like I'm for real only driving it on my streets. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I'm talking way less this time. It's been a long week, dude. I was working like this week like 16 hours on average, mainly because I'm working 2 different customers at once, kind of. So I'm like going to one job, finishing up, going to another customer, and there's so much work that I'd rather just stay later. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna skip traffic, so I might as well stay later. That's why I've been doing that. So I'm going through it, bro. Where I live is just it's so cinematic, bro. What's crazy though is to get to where I usually drive, like go to customers, I have to go through that mountain. But it only takes like 20 minutes to get through that mountain. Like even though it looks so far and huge, it's honestly not that bad. Today's Sunday, man. Hope all you guys went to church. You know, I hope you guys pursue pursuing God every single day, man, because you never know when your last day is. So you got to, bro. You got to. For sale, two for sale, two more for sale up there. People are getting rid of their shops, bro. It's kind of sad because most of the time it's like because of businesses like slowing down and stuff. Holy, dude, I cannot believe it's already been almost 3 years of having this car. Like, so much has changed the past 3 years. That's why, like, I tell you guys, find something you can grow in, because you feel so much better about your life when you're constantly growing. Like, my job's hard, it gets hella dirty. But I mean, the things that it's like I'm always learning to do every week, bro, is something freaking new. It's annoying for sure, because like the problem now, since I'm on my own, if I don't fix it, I don't get paid. Like, that sucks, bro. Like, not getting paid is like one of the worst feelings, because I'm usually having a guy, usually I have one of my guys with me, like shadowing me. So like, you know, I got bills to pay, bro. So like, everything's on you. It's definitely way harder, but it pushes you to the next level. It definitely tests you if you actually know what you're doing, you know? Which, thank God, bro, we've been killing it, bro. Like, I've been able to pretty much fix every single job. And the only time there's a job I don't fix, it's, you know, something that needs to be fully replaced, which is better to do for the OEM to do. Like, we're talking about like where there's components that are 25K, you know, so warranty stays. Obviously there's spindles, and I work with companies that have warranty, so that's a different story. But like, when there's a part that only OEM makes, which for example, there's tool changers they make, I don't have anyone for that. Spindles are more practical. Tool changers are not practical at all, because spindles, all it is bearings. On a tool changer, it's like, just depends, completely depends on how the OEM does it. Now, you can rebuild it, but dude, it's not even worth the time. It's better just to make money doing something else that I'm really good at, know how to fix. Okay, having the stickers looking kind of nice. I don't have to overthink it. Jeez, homie ran the red. I hope you guys enjoy the video, man. Another day. Shoot, man, April's gonna be 3 years since I'm having this. It's kind of ridiculous knowing that, like, I've been paying for this car for, oh my gosh, there's no way that's another dent, bro. Every time I look at this car, I feel like I'm always seeing something new. But that's how it goes, man. Look, 2 dents right here. People, when they open the door, they just smack it open, dude. I always try to park so low key too, but dude, they just, you can do everything you can, but whatever, man. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, man. Thank you guys for sticking through. It's crazy how there's so, you guys, like, still same people commenting every day. I appreciate all the support. At the end of the day, boys, this is just for fun for me, and make sure you guys, like, keep grinding towards your goal. Have a career that you can grind in and grow in, you know. So make sure you guys find something that you can grow, not just be stagnant at one place, you know, like electrician, mechanical engineer, or mechanical service tech, not on cars, on other types of equipment. You know, there's so much room to grow. Plumber's good, but like, I think once there's a limit you hit, and then you make good money, of course, but I don't know, there's just, I want to keep on growing, so that's why I love what I do, man. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.